Hi, I'm Charlotte from Salon Skincare. In this short video, I'd like to introduce you to Decléor Aroma Cleanse 3-in-1 Hydra Radiance Cleansing Mousse, a 3-in-1 cleanser that provides 3 key actions for a beautiful and glowing complexion. Firstly, when in contact with water, this rich, concentrated cream quickly lathers to a mousse-like texture to deep cleanse and soften the skin, leaving it clean and velvety soft, facilitating skin polishing and perfecting. Secondly, it contains grape juice, papaya extract, and Japanese white mulberry. It will exfoliate and gently slough away dull, dead skin cells to leave the skin crystal clear with visible clarity and luminosity after just one use, moisturizing and plumping. Finally, it contains both neroli essential oil and hyaluronic acid for immediate outstanding results on the skin. The neroli essential oil protects, repairs, and fights dehydration. The hyaluronic acid is the key to the fountain of youth. It surrounds the collagen to give it support whilst having a plumping effect on the lines and wrinkles. Hyaluronic acid is a potent protein found naturally in the skin that can hold up to 1,000 times its own weight in moisture. Also, grape and papaya extract, which helps to remove dead skin cells. This paraben-free formulation is suitable for all skin types and is perfectly adapted to busy lifestyles. Combining nature's purest and most potent active ingredients, Decléor scientifically selects and masterfully blends premium essential oils to deliver for each skin need, targeted and proven skincare solutions. For a beautiful and glowing complexion, order Decléor Aroma Cleanse 3-in-1 Hydra Radiance Cleansing Mousse today. Whatever your main priority is for your skin, Salon Skincare has the solution.